Still in athletics, after a great challenging week, Kenya got her groove back by winning her first medal at the ongoing 24th Deaflympics Summer Games in Brazil. Sarah Kimani Wangari clocked 38 minutes, 26.41 seconds to give the country silver in the women's 10,000 meters race. The victory was buoyed by Wangari, or rather has buoyed Wangari, who is optimistic of another podium finish when she takes a double in the women's 5,000 meters this Saturday. Now, race favourite Grancy Kandagor also braved a bad fall to settle for bronze in a time of 38 minutes, 38.93 seconds.
I tried my best, I worked hard, I knew that I could do it, and so I just kept going. Because my objective was to make sure that I get a medal, and I wanted to make sure that when I go back home, I have something to show. I was motivated. I wanted to win for Team Kenya. We had planned that we were going to get the scores 1, 2, 3, but when we started running, I fell, and I tried my best, but I became position 3.
It is the first time that we get a medal in long distance events in our women. And I'm very much impressed that despite the fact that they had a very strong competitor, they tried their best.
Now, over 20 cyclists were flagged off today in Nairobi to take part in a 540